Hi guys, good morning. I am Javier, your English and Natural Science teacher. I'm very good, and with this video I want you to help with the first natural science lesson of this week. Okay, first I've got the page of our English blog, which is Cervantes English Fan, and in this blog let me tell you that you can find lots and lots of interesting stuff for you to learn about in science. You see it is classified, and here you're gonna find plenty of resources to help you. Okay, but let's focus now on today's lesson, which is, do you remember that we were talking about nutrition with the respiratory and the circulatory, and today we have to focus on food and nutrients. This is the presentation I have just sent to your parents. Okay, and in this presentation we see these two questions. Which foods can you see in the picture? And you can make a zoom in. Why do we eat? That's an interesting question. And it says food contains the different nutrients. Here is a key word. We need to live and grow. Okay, so with this page and together with your class book page 20, I want you to read this carefully. Because let me zoom in. Here you can learn about information about the five types of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. So reading this page, what I want you to do is to make a list with all the foods you used to eat in a day. Starting with the breakfast, we are going to include my breakfast, my lunch, okay, and my dinner, okay. So let me put you an example. For example, in the breakfast, imagine I'm going to say milk and cookies, but I want you to, between brackets, also think about nutrients. For example, thinking about milk, it's very important because, for example, proteins, okay? So this can serve you as an example of your daily menu thinking. Remember, not only about food, but also thinking about nutrients, okay? So this is your homework, and then you can tell to your parents to send me back through Delphos Papas, okay? And I can correct your list. I'm sure that you can do it very, very, very well. And anyway, if you've got any doubt, just please let me know, okay? Bye bye, see you soon.